Hi guys, welcome back to another SEO AI Audit Tool video. Today we're going to be looking at the meta tag generator, which is one of the tools inside of the SEO AI Audit Tool app plugin. So here's the settings page of the meta tag generator for now. You can pick pages and posts or both. You basically can change the tonality of the meta title and meta description. And then we have what we call marketing modes. Marketing modes allow you to change the basically what I just call the marketing mode. You can do a general one, which is a more balanced title and description. This is an example of what a general title could look like. If you go with pain point negative, it's going to start off the title with focusing on a human's pain point, but in a negative way. So like tired of losing traffic, versus a pain point positive would it would focus on the want and the need of the pain point in a marketing sense, in a copyright language sense, and this one focuses on the pain point in a negative way. So avoiding pain versus gaining pleasure. That's pretty much the differences here. Professional keeps a professional tone as well. And then engaging is going to be using power words and verbs at the beginning. As well as you can also click on add year or begin with action verbs, or even add power words, which is another setting that we're going to be coming out with too. So for example, you can still use pain point focus negative, but inject a power word into there. So this is one of the main differences between our meta tag generators and others, is the fact that we focus on the CRO and the SEO at the same time. That's one of the biggest mantras of our plugin, is we don't just do SEO, we also do CRO as well, right? We're looking at emotional hooks, headline quality, value proposition. Now, another thing to keep in mind is, as you can see, when you use the data import button and you import your keywords from Ahrefs as well as your clicks from Google Search Console. Let me go to page 2 so I can show you it better. When you import your Google Search Console data as well as your Ahrefs keywords data, you will notice what this does is it makes the tool much more powerful, in the sense that we're also sending this data to the AI when we're getting these keywords taken. So to add further information and more clarity, when you click on pain point focus, negative or positive, or any of these, we're sending your entire page's content, as well as the keywords you're ranking on Ahrefs, as well as your click data, to the AI alongside an instruction here in order to generate your title. So this really helps a lot, because our base prompt for creating your meta tags is making sure that your top ranking keywords. So because we rank your Ahrefs keywords from most popular to least popular, the AI tool is getting that information and can front face your title with your most popular ranking keyword. So that's going to be pretty big. That's going to help your CTR quite a bit, and that's why we call it the Magic CTR Booster, is for that reason. For you to do this manually, it would take a lot of time, right? So for this example, let's go with pain point negative. This is a real estate client. So we generate meta titles. We're going to do, oh, I did pages and posts by accident. Okay, well, here's a post right here. And yeah, as you can see here, the old meta title was just pretty generic. And this one says, frustrated with Ottawa's real estate trends, find clarity now. Falling Ottawa sales, negative, struggling with real estate choices, right? So on and so forth. So this is just an example of of how it works for the negative. Let's go ahead and try the positive. Let's go for post only, and let's switch it to be positive. And let's see what that looks like. Now you got trends and updates, moving to Ottawa essential tips, find Ottawa's move, Ottawa's land transfer, so on and so forth. Master, explore, so on and so forth. Okay, let's try now. Let's do post and let's do engaging. And let's take a look at that. It's going to be a similar one for this one, save time, so on and so forth. And now let's do professional. Actually, you know what? I am going to do for this one, post, I'm going to do engaging, but begin with an action verb. And let's see what this looks like. So explore, moving to, discover, find the best, save, right? So most of these now, if applicable, navigate, that this is a verb. So what we did is we clicked on begin with action verbs. I like beginning with action verbs because in marketing we've basically done many A/B tests, and we've realized that when you begin with an action verb, you just get a higher CTR. Humans just tend to, like right here, this says September report, this is explore the trends, essential tips, moving to Ottawa, top rated house movers, professional house movers, find the best moving companies, right? This one doesn't say the word find. Where does it say find the best moving companies? Nowhere, right? So these are just much better titles and descriptions, really. I can click apply, it just applies it. And then, if you want, once this is all done, there's an apply all button that gets added, and you can literally apply all these titles and apply hundreds of titles in real time that are just so much better than a human written title that was done really quickly, unless you spent a lot of time, mind you. So yeah, this feature is in the infancy, so meaning that what you see, these settings and what you see here, there's definitely more to come. You can exclude terms. I'm going to add power words to it, the whole 9 yards. There's a lot going to be added soon enough, so keep yourself posted. Again, this is one tool out of the SEO AI Audit Tool plugin, right? This is one tool. You have your magic keyword finder. Within the magic CTR booster, you have other tools as well, like page CTR analysis, which takes a look at all your pages, your current CTR, and what the expected CTR is. So this one is above the expected, but for example, this page here is actually lower than expected. So there's actually a potential click. There's lots of potential clicks here. So you got multiple tools. We're planning on adding like 3 or 4 more tools soon. So this is a fantastic price. Like, I mean, for $59, you get these incredible tools. You get the SEO audit tool itself, like the base tool, which gives you like a 30-point checklist to action on all your pages, right? And then on top of that, our advanced SEO AI analysis. If you put in your OpenAI key and you click on Start AI Audits, I'll make another video on this one, but basically it takes your entire page's content and gives you a score for your expertise, your experience, your trustworthiness, your authority, and your originality. So obviously, like I have over 150 pages. To do these AI analysis and get my dev team to fix them is a challenge at 150 pages, and that's why we have the add to focus page button, where you can only focus on pages that have clicks in Google Search Console, that have keywords you're ranking for, or for example have the searcher's intention that you're looking for. For example, you don't want to optimize informational keywords, because those are just people, looking for information. They're not actually looking for to purchase. You want transactional, commercial search intention. So anyways, enough about that. There's another video coming on that will explain to you the basics of the SEO AI Audit Tool. But to buy Pro, just head over to our website by clicking top right corner, and you can take a look at our pricing and everything else. Okay, if you have any questions, comment, reply to the video, and we'll try to get to it as soon as possible.